Hey guys, my name is Super Shine Nature. So today, this video will be called Psycho Kid Put Fire Alarm in 2026. So, you guys enjoy the video. So peace. Oh man, today is the first day of the 2026. Man, I can't believe it. So let's watch any funny video. So youtube.com. Okay, YouTube. Let's watch the mediocre nuggets with mediocre nuggets and send a beep. Dad, please stop destroying my video games. Well, son, you deserve it. So take that. Psh, psh, not so funny. Oh hey Kyle. Sup Kyle. Oh hey guys, so I'm watching the mediocre nuggets. Oh cool. How funny is that? I know, right? James? It's so awesome. So, yeah. What a great 2026. Oh, hey, honey. Oh, hey, babe. So, what's up? So that, Mike, James, and Kyle, teacher want to go back to school today. Oh, really? Yeah. Let me tell the kids about it. Hey, Kyle, James, and Mike, get over here. Kyle, where's the mic? Your dad is calling us, so yeah. Oh, let's pause it. Beep. There it goes. Let's go downstairs and what did my dad want to us? Let's go downstairs. Yeah. Where is it, Dad? Yeah, where is it? So today, you guys, you have to go back to school for 2026. What? Go back to uh go back to the school for the 2026 come back to school? Pfft, no way. This bullshit. Hey, don't say that, Kyle. So you better best behavior on this school today. So if you misbehaving at your school, and then you will be grounded. Do you understand me? Fine, Dad. I understand you. Well, good. So let's just wait for the school buses here. So you have to wait for it. Okay, guys? Alright, Dad. Alright. Yes, sir. Well, good then. So go. Have fun. Have fun. Okay, Dad. I hope that Kyle is learning a lesson for this year. Yeah, I hope so too. So yeah. Well, guys, where's the Kyle? Yeah, where is it? Well, it's over. Christmas vacation is over. So this is worst ever this year of 2026 for the go back to school today. Yeah, I know, dude. It sucks, man. Yeah, I know, right? So school is sucks, and this is worse than 2026 ever. So we need a no school forever, like every year. Yeah, I agree with James. So yeah. Oh great. There's a school bus here. Yeah. Oh hey, Kyle, James, and Mike. Hey driver. So guys, are you ready to go back to school for the 2026? No. Well, too bad then. Alright guys, there's a school, so best behavior on this school so today. Okay guys, except you, Kyle. You better best behavior. What did your dad say to you? What? How do you know that? Well, I heard you like into your house. What did your dad say to you? Fine, Dad. Okay, driver. Well, good then. So, have fun, you guys. It sucks. I hate those schools, so... Yeah. Yeah, I know, dude. It sucks. Yeah. Let's go back to school and learn the things. Please, Dad, I don't want to school. Well, too bad, so sad, Chris. So go back to school and learn a lesson. But no, I don't want to hear the but. So get off the car right now. Ah, fine, Dad. What it worse. Hey, do you just slam on the for the car into the door? How do you? You know what? You are grounded. Let's go, babe. Let's go to the uh, let's go to the breakfast. Yeah. This is worse. This is worse the school I ever seen. Oh hey, Kyle, James, and Mike. So you came here for the school today? Yes, Chris, we are here. Yeah, I hate school. Me too, me three. Well, me four, so I can't believe that my dad just called me when I was sleeping and he just yelled at me on my ear when I was sleeping and then he grabbed me in his car and he went into the school today. So that's why I'm here. Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that, Chris. So we are here today. Really? Yeah. So let's go. Let's go to the class. Yeah. Beep beep beep. Alright guys. So today, this is first day of the school of 2026. So you guys, are you so excited about school today on 2026? Woohoo! I can't believe I finally come back to school today, Mr. Mark. Yeah, same. You know that, right, brother, Danny? Oh, yes, sister Emily. Man, it sucks. Yeah, same. Boo, boo. Yeah, boo. Yeah, sucks. Yeah, pfft. Yeah, Hey, don't say that, look like that, you guys. You better learn the lesson, and I hope you enjoy your homework today. So, so when you guys finish the school, I will give you a lot of homework. Lots of homework? Are you fucking kidding me? Yeah, it sucks. Well, too bad, so sad, classmate. So you better learn the things, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the school today. So yeah. So anyways, let's go back to it. Okay, okay. Today's class is math. After math. Alright, guys. Uh, you already finished your math. So yeah. So what you gonna do today? Yeah, I know, dude. I don't know. How about you, babe? Yeah, I know. No, I don't know, baby. Kyle. So you are best. My boyfriend ever. Huh? You're best girlfriend ever. Huh? Thanks. Okay. So I don't know. So, or maybe I don't know. Oh, I know. Kyle. Where's it, Mike? How about tell your teacher about use the bathroom and then go go to the put the fire alarm. Okay, I'm on it. Mike. Hey, excuse me, Mr. Mark. Oh hey, Kyle. So what do you need? Can I use the bathroom? Of course, Kyle. Make sure it be quick. Okay, Mr. Mark. Have fun. Where's the fire alarm? Aha, there's a fire alarm. So here goes. Here goes, guys. So you will see what happens. I will put a fire alarm about 10 seconds. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep, beep. Uh oh, I gotta run away. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. What was that noise? Oh no, it's a fire. So everyone, get out of the building. Beep, beep. Oh, I'm back. Oh, you're so quick, Kyle. So yeah. So we just fire in this building. So we need to get out of the building right now. Follow me, classmate. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. All right, class. We are out of this building, so we are outside. So the firefighter will turn off the fire alarm. So you have to wait for it for the few minutes, you guys. So is it a Kyle who put the fire alarm? Wait a minute. Is that Kyle again? Well, tell him to expend it for it. I'm on it. Just a few minutes, guys. Wait a minute. Is that you with the vampire car with his name is Kyle? Yes, fire. So what about it? Well, I just saw on the security camera on this building, and you're trying to put a fake fire alarm. So, is that true? Fine. You got me, fire. You know what? Go to the printer office right now. Kyle, why you do that for? Oh, go to the printer office right now. How do you just put a fake fire alarm so when they come out this building? So go to printer office right now. Fine. Oh man, it sucks. Yeah, I know, right? It sucks. So Kyle, I can't believe that you put the fire alarm in this building. So you know what we're gonna do to you, Kyle? I will call your parents. What did you do? What? Don't call my parents. I don't want to be grounded. Well, too bad, so sad, Kyle. So you deserve it, and you trying to put a fire alarm into this in this building. So I have to call your parents. No! When Kyle came home, Kyle, I can't believe you. I can't believe that you trying to put a fire alarm when you went to the fake use the bathroom and then your principal office called us for the you trying to fake fire alarm and out this building. So what the hell will you do that for, Kyle? Well, Dad, I just hate the goddamn mother freaking school today on this 2026. You know what, Kyle? On the floor. Okay, Dad. For the timeout for the 2 hours. What 2 hours? Are you kidding me, Dad? Yeah, this serious. So on the floor right now, and you never coming back until until the until the 2 hours is over to you. Oh, so that's what you get. Come on, honey. Let's go to back to movie. Yeah. You sucker loser, Kyle. Well, shut the fuck up. Hey, don't say that. What to say, Kyle? Nothing, Dad. Well, good then. You sucker loser, Kyle. Ha ha ha. Well, I hate you, Dominic. Well, guys, that's a crazy adventure right there. So the Kyle, James, and Mike went to the school, and the Mike just tell the Kyle have an idea, and then Kyle just went into the in this sorry about that, guys. I just thinking something like that or something like that. So back to it. So the Kyle just went into the this hallway, and he put the fire alarm and went into the so the classmate out this building, and then firefighter just find out what did who did that, and then the principal office is suspended for the Kyle for the 2 days ago, and then Kyle's parents grounded him and punishment him and on the floor for the 2 hours for the timeout. So anyways guys, that's for it of this video guys. So make sure to like, subscribe, follow share your comments down below guys. So yeah guys, I will see you then on my next video. And also guys, happy new year you guys for 2026. So peace.